Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "Man Gets Bitten by His Own Dog During Tense Encounter with Police." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man. Dang, your own dog turned his back on you? Come on, man.
On a bright sunny day, Florida officers were on the lookout for a suspect in a theft case from earlier in the morning. Although successful in evading them once, the male was later spotted by the officers next to a highway with his dog on a leash.
Hey sir, how you doing? Doing okay today? Doing all right?
I've been all right. Trying to get back to town.
Like the middle of Crestview town? Walmart?
Try to give me something to eat.
Right on.
Try to off.
Yeah, you don't have any
Kill me that night.
you don't have any shoes on.
Electrocute me.
What?
They tried to find my ass.
Who did?
They had the camper floor completely wet. Lined it with a blanket underneath. Had metal screws coming up. Something tried tapping me a 220. Had the whole damn camper floor wet. And was out there messing with the damn power box, tried killing my ass.
Are you saying a camper?
Yeah, I was. Yeah, they tried killing me and it didn't work.
Who is they?
Out there by Antioch. I had this damn camper, man. I keep coming back to it, kept being soaking wet.
That's way down there.
Y'all already know. It's all right there in Antioch. I mean, they had the damn whole camper completely soaked. They took the floor, put the floor up, lined the floor with a blanket. A sheet of blanket, so the floor would stay wet. Rigged it up, you know, how the metal was on the blanket and shit.
All right.
They tried frying my ass.
Fine. So I need you to put your hands behind your back.
For what?
You're going to jail.
For what?
You're going to
Hey,
jail.
for what?
You're going to jail.
Going to jail for what?
Going to jail
For what?
criminal mischief and petty theft.
What? Of what?
Put your hands behind your
Of
back.
what? Petty theft of what?
Put your hands behind
Petty
your
theft
back.
of what? Of what?
Don't resist.
No, just tell me. Petty theft of what?
We will. We'll explain it to you in just a second, okay?
Of what?
You're good. You can take the dog.
Of what?
Alright, puppy. Alright. So the reason being is for the coffee shop up here off of PJ. If you had an altercation, I have pictures of you. With the canopy.
Y'all, dude.
Blanket.
That.
What's that?
That's a bull.
What's your name, man?
You, dude.
You have any
Fuck me, dude.
Hey.
Ah, bully.
Chill out.
Hey, get my dog. Get my dog. Get him. Ah, bully. Get him. Pull back.
Why is he biting?
Good boy.
Did he get your skin?
Yeah.
Where at?
Yeah, man.
He didn't get your skin.
Yeah, dude.
A little bit.
It's alright.
You want an ambulance?
No.
Okay.
It's no job, dude.
Sit up on your butt.
No, dude.
Sit up on your butt.
Look, the dog know he a piece of shit. Look at look at that.
What's your name, man?
You, dude.
You have any
Fuck me, dude.
Hey.
Ah, bully.
Chill out.
Hey, get my dog. Get my dog. Get him. Ah, bully. Get him. Pull back.
Why is he biting?
Did he get your skin?
Yeah.
Where at?
Yeah, man.
He didn't get your skin.
Yeah, dude.
A little bit.
Oh
You want an
boy.
ambulance?
No.
Okay.
He said, "You done
dude.
put me through
Sit
enough.
up on
I
your
had
butt.
enough of
No,
your
dude.
bullshit."
Sit up on your butt.
Y'all.
Sit up on your butt.
In a surprising turn of events, the dog bit the male on his thigh but remained very calm with the officers.
Y'all, dude.
Dude, all over on your stomach.
What's going on, do right? Stop. This motherfucker wants to kill me. Do it.
Dude, stop.
Roll over.
Kill me, motherfucker. Kill me.
Stop.
Kill me.
Stop.
No, kill me.
No. Stop.
That's what you all been trying to do.
No.
This is what the government's trying to do.
No.
Kill me.
You're going in the back
Oh
of my
my
car.
god.
Just be advised, we got one resisting.
Go ahead and have you messing around.
Yeah, be messing around.
I didn't steal anything.
Dog bite.
I didn't steal that umbrella top.
101 Cresty.
So what did I steal?
Already told you.
The umbrella top's still there.
I know it's there.
Then what I steal?
Damaged it and you stole some soda.
I didn't damage it. All I needed to do was put back on.
Okay. Well, now you're going in the back of my car. So you gonna get up for me?
For what? Are y'all trying to hurt me?
No, I'm not.
For this goddamn town trying to kill me?
No, absolutely
That's
not.
all they do is follow me around, me all the time.
I need you to get up.
And I need you to put a bullet in my head.
Okay. Is your back seat empty?
No, the dog's in right back.
Dogs?
Well, let me sit back there with him.
No. Absolutely
Just chill
not.
out for a second, dude. What is your
That dude.
you
That
better
mother
fight
tried
us.
killing me the other night, dude.
Listen,
I had to drink some soda, man.
I
I
don't
had
know.
no fluid in me, nothing, man.
Okay, well, we're gonna get you some help, but you gotta stop fighting with us, man.
I had to drink, I had to use that umbrella top to stay warm.
Okay. Well, now you're going to jail.
Yeah, well now you can suck a dick.
And did you hear me come over the radio? Okay. Yeah.
Did they confirm
lift
EMS?
traffic. EMS is en route.
That's 10 Voyager, being notified at this time. You have animals patrolling around also.
Yes.
All right. Lay on your back.
No,
Yeah.
that.
Can you get up for me?
What?
So I can sit you in the shade.
No, y'all been trying to cook the goddamn government's trying to cook me the goddamn sun forever. Y'all been trying to this goddamn town's been trying to hurt me for ever.
No.
Yeah, bunch of piece of shit,
2619.
because I know too much about the goddamn government. That's all you motherfuckers do, follow me around, follow me around, follow me around. And try to hurt me every goddamn day.
Present all units, 1066-1033.
Well, I'm trying.
What, taking me to jail? Taking my dog?
You gotta help yourself a little bit, buddy.
How am I going to get my dog back?
We'll take care of that. Can you get up for me so I can sit you in the shade?
No, because you don't want to help me.
I do, actually.
Then get up, we'll get off me.
All right, get up on your butt. All right.
101.
Put this foot underneath you. Put that foot underneath you.
101, go ahead.
And on 3, we're gonna stand up.
As soon as I told you about that shit,
2.
y'all took me to jail.
I apologize. We have pretty limited radio service here. All units are 10 for the detained
Been trying to kill my ass.
The dog bite.
So town's been trying to kill me.
He's detained.
Expect me to goddamn die? What would you do in a situation like that? Nobody wants to help you out. What would you do?
1026.
What would you do?
Notified. EMS and FD are en route. We're notifying animal control.
What would y'all do about it?
Maybe.
This goddamn town's been trying to hurt me for years.
But you can try.
For years, man. They've tried to hurt me.
That don't work.
I want my dog back, man.
Well,
I want my dog. I have nobody.
deal with that.
You do what?
Your dog bit you, dude.
I don't give a f***. Come on, don't bite me.
Turn around.
Just let him,
Turn around.
let him get it out.
Turn around.
Then he's gonna get it.
Thank you.
Well, get off me. Well, off me.
Come on, dude. Get in the car.
You've been trying to hurt me for years.
All right. Thank you.
Go ahead.
The male claimed that he knew things that the government didn't want anyone to know, but did he know better than to keep resisting? Let's find out.
Stop.
Years, man. There's somebody leave something outside. About that penny then. Tell me that. Tell me. What
Bro.
do you think? Why can't you tell me that? This is all
Okay.
Your phone's okay.
So he's up and down, extremely moody. He started to lose consciousness when we had him on the ground, but it was very hot, so that's why I originally called for EMS. All right, bud.
I don't need hospital treatment.
Okay, well, you're getting out of the car.
I
We're
don't
gonna
need
check you out.
hospital treatment.
Okay. Well,
Don't make me go into the hospital. I don't need it,
well,
man.
I'm putting this on your face.
No, you're not.
Okay.
No, you're not, dude.
Well,
I don't need hospital treatment. Ma'am, I don't need it. I'm terrified of you, I don't need it.
You broke the mask, so no mask.
This town has tried killing me multiple times.
If I can bring you in, let my doctor look at you, you can refuse treatment, we'll bring you right back.
Hey.
But since they're on the property, I have to bring you to the hospital.
Watch your head.
Trying to charge me petty theft. I was dying, dude. Of thirst.
Get out of the car.
I had a
Watch your
bottle of water outside, a bottle of soda outside of a business, and I took a umbrella top and used it to stay
Let's
warm.
get out of the car, man.
And they took me to jail for that. For drinking about dying, for overheating. Drinking a goddamn bottle of water outside of a damn business. And using an umbrella top to stay warm. I go to jail for that. That's it. We're trying to survive. That's all I did, was trying to survive, man.
Get you out of here as quickly as I can.
Pass on the path.
Dumb shit, man. That's name, but that's changed my dog, Thank you, man. You have a wonderful day.
Again, thank you, I appreciate your
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
The male was charged with resisting arrest with violence, while his dog was taken in possession by the animal control. YouTube.
Yeah, man. That's crazy. How your dog turn your back on you like that, man? Dog taken in by animal control, man. You ain't getting that dog back. It's a wrap. He bit you. He needs some real serious training, but his owner is, you know, stealing and this and that, you know, so, you know, your dog is a representation of you. You know what I'm saying? Not really? Maybe? Oh, well.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.